Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to bold text in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, I'm going to be opening up the official Google Forms. So I say right here docs.google.com/forms. That's going to go ahead and enable me to get started. So by opening it up, you'll be opening up this main page where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have a Google account, what you want to do is go ahead and sign up for an account. If you have one, just log in normally, and once you have logged in, now we can get started. So after logging in, now we can get started. As you can see here, we can go and create a new Google form. If you do not already have one, here we can take a look at all the forms we have already created to get started. And now let's go ahead and see what we can do. So basically guys, what we want to do to bold text is first go ahead and open up the form that we want to bold it for. So you can go and create a new one, or I'm just going to open up this form right here that I have, and now I can get started with editing any text that I have. So as you can see here, I have my tutorial form for a video, and now let's say I want to bold any of the text right here, either in the answer or in the question, doesn't matter. Basically guys, all you have to do is just find the text you want to bold. So let's say I want to bold this question option, this question word right here, and by selecting the word I want to bold, as you can see, it's going to open up this new menu immediately where I can go ahead and put italics, underlined, and so on. And one of the options is going to be called bold. So by clicking bold, as you can see, now I have bolded this word right here. And if you want to unbold it, just click it again. It works the same as well for your answers right here. As you can see, you can edit them from here. Basically, that's how you can bold anything you want in your question. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.